Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the depths of prehistory to uncover some of the most terrifying creatures that roamed the earth long before the dinosaurs. When we think of prehistoric predators, dinosaurs often dominate our imagination. But long before the Tyrannosaurus rex roared and the Stegosaurus grazed, another caste of extraordinary creatures held dominion over our planet. Join me as we journey back in time, millions of years before the age of dinosaurs, to encounter these ancient leviathans, predators, and bizarre creatures, each more awe-inspiring and terrifying than the last. Our journey begins in the vast, unforgiving expanse of the ancient oceans, a realm ruled by a predator of unimaginable power and size, the Megalodon. Imagine, if you will, a shark, but not just any shark. The Megalodon makes the great white shark, a creature that sends shivers down our spines today, look like a minnow. Reaching lengths of up to 60 feet, the Megalodon was the undisputed king of the seas. Its teeth, serrated and over 6 inches long, were designed to tear through flesh and bone with ease. We know from fossilized evidence that the Megalodon's prey included whales, dolphins, and even giant sea turtles. Imagine the sheer force required to take down such massive creatures. The Megalodon's bite force, estimated at over 10 times that of a great white shark, is believed to be the most powerful bite of any creature to have ever lived. But the Megalodon wasn't alone in these prehistoric waters. It shared its domain with other formidable predators creatures we'll encounter soon enough. But for now, let us venture back even further in time, to an era when the very land itself was home to giants. We journey now to the steamy, humid swamps of Paleocene South America, a world recovering from the extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. In this world, a creature of almost mythical proportions slithered through the dense undergrowth, Titanoboa, the largest snake ever known to have existed. Picture a serpent stretching over 40 feet long, thicker than a car tire, weighing over a ton. This was Titanoboa, a predator so massive it could constrict and consume a crocodile without hesitation. Its immense size allowed it to overpower almost any creature that crossed its path. Imagine the crushing force of its coils, the suffocating grip as it tightened around its prey. But the Titanoboa's size wasn't its only weapon. Like its modern-day relatives, it was likely capable of delivering a venomous bite, further debilitating its prey. The discovery of Titanoboa's fossils sent shockwaves through the scientific community, a stark reminder of the incredible creatures that once roamed our planet. Leaving the sweltering swamps behind, we now travel to a time when the very air was thick with oxygen, fueling the growth of colossal insects. Picture a world where forests were carpeted not with leaves, but with giant ferns and towering club mosses. In these prehistoric forests, a creature crawled that could make even the bravest soul shudder. Arthropleura, the largest land invertebrate ever discovered. Imagine a millipede, but not the kind you might see scurrying across your garden path. Arthropleura could grow up to 8 feet long, its segmented body plated with armor. As it roamed the forest floor, its multiple legs carried it over obstacles with surprising speed. What did this behemoth eat? While scientists debate its exact diet, evidence suggests Arthropleura may have feasted on plants, fungi, and perhaps even small creatures. Can you imagine encountering this giant in the dim light of the coal forests? Its sheer size and alien appearance would have been a sight to behold, both awe-inspiring and terrifying. But the prehistoric world had even more unsettling surprises in store. Our journey now takes us back to the water, to the Devonian period, often referred to as the Age of Fishes. Here, in the shallow seas, swam a creature that embodied the brutal efficiency of prehistoric predators, Dunkleosteus. Imagine a fish encased in bony armor, a true tank of the ancient seas. Dunkleosteus, growing up to 30 feet long, was a predator unlike any other. Instead of teeth, it possessed razor-sharp bony plates that formed a terrifying beak-like jaw. These plates could snap shut with incredible force, crushing through the armor of its prey with ease. Dunkleosteus was a true apex predator, feared by all creatures that shared its watery domain. Its diet likely consisted of other armored fish, sharks, and even its own kind. Fossils of Dunkleosteus paint a grim picture of its feeding habits, with evidence of partially digested remains and even bones bearing the unmistakable marks of its bone-crushing bite. The Devonian seas were a battleground, and Dunkleosteus was a formidable warrior, leaving a trail of carnage in its wake. But our exploration of prehistoric terrors is far from over. We venture now to the early Cretaceous period, to the lush, freshwater rivers of what is now Africa and South America. Here in these murky waters, lurked a creature that dwarfed even the largest crocodiles alive today, Sarcosuchus, aptly named flesh crocodile. Imagine a crocodile, but not the kind you might find basking on a riverbank. Sarcosuchus grew to lengths of up to 40 feet, its massive jaws lined with over 100 teeth, each one designed to grasp and tear. Its skull alone was as long as a human being. This colossal predator was an ambush hunter, lying in wait beneath the water's surface, its eyes fixed on unsuspecting prey. When the moment was right, it would explode from the depths, its jaws snapping shut with incredible force. Sarcosuchus likely fed on fish, turtles, and even dinosaurs that ventured too close to the water's edge. Its sheer size and power made it the undisputed king of its domain. Fossils of Sarcosuchus tell a tale of a creature that was both awe-inspiring and terrifying, a stark reminder that even in the world of giants, there were creatures that stood above the rest. Our journey back in time now takes us to the late Permian period, a time when strange and wonderful creatures roamed the earth. Among them was a group of predators known as gorgonopsids, named after the mythical Greek monsters with snakes for hair. Imagine a creature that combined the features of a reptile and a mammal with sharp claws, powerful legs, and a set of saber-like teeth that could be up to 5 inches long. These fearsome predators were built for speed and agility, chasing down their prey with relentless determination. They were among the top predators of their time, preying on a variety of animals, including reptiles and early synapsids, our own distant ancestors. The gorgonopsids were a diverse group, with some species reaching lengths of over 10 feet. Their fossils have been found in various parts of the world, including Africa, Russia, and China, suggesting that they were a successful and widespread group of animals. But their reign, like that of all the creatures we've encountered so far, would eventually come to an end. We dive back into the ancient oceans to the Carboniferous period, a time of great change and diversity in the marine world. Here we encounter a creature that has baffled paleontologists for decades, a creature whose appearance seems to defy logic, Helicoprion. Imagine a shark-like fish but with a lower jaw that spiraled inwards, resembling a bizarre circular saw. This unique feature has sparked countless debates and theories among scientists. How did this creature actually use its spiral jaw? Was it a weapon for slashing at prey, or perhaps it was used to rake through the seabed, unearthing hidden creatures? Despite years of study, the true purpose of Helicoprion's spiral jaw remains a mystery. What we do know is that this creature was a cartilaginous fish, related to sharks and rays. It likely grew to lengths of over 20 feet, making it a formidable predator in the ancient seas. The Helicoprion's spiral jaw, whatever its purpose, is a testament to the incredible diversity and strangeness of life that has existed on our planet. Our journey now takes us back to the Devonian period, to the shallow, teeming waters that covered much of the planet. Here, we encounter a creature that embodies the stuff of nightmares, Jaekelopterus, the largest arthropod ever discovered. Imagine a scorpion, but not the kind you might find hiding under a rock. Jaekelopterus could grow up to 8 feet long, its massive claws capable of crushing through bone. This giant sea scorpion was an apex predator, preying on fish, trilobites, and even other arthropods. Its powerful claws were its primary weapons, used to grasp, crush, and dismember its prey. Jaekelopterus was a truly formidable creature, and its reign of terror in the Devonian seas likely lasted for millions of years. Its fossils provide a glimpse into a time when giant arthropods ruled the waters, a stark reminder of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. Our journey through the terrifying world of prehistoric creatures brings us to a group of animals that, while perhaps not as visually imposing as the giants we've encountered so far, hold a special significance in the story of life on Earth, the therapsids. These creatures, sometimes referred to as mammal-like reptiles, lived during the Permian period, and are the direct ancestors of mammals, including ourselves. Imagine a creature that bridged the gap between reptiles and mammals, possessing traits of both. Some therapsids were small and agile, while others grew to the size of bears, with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. They were a diverse group, with some evolving into herbivores, while others remained fearsome predators. The therapsids are a testament to the resilience of life, surviving a series of mass extinctions that wiped out many other species. From these resilient survivors, a new lineage arose, the mammals. And so, our journey through the terrifying world of prehistoric creatures leads us ultimately to ourselves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these terrifying ancient creatures, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. We've only scratched the surface of the incredible diversity and strangeness of prehistoric life. There are countless other fascinating creatures waiting to be discovered, each with its own story to tell. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, both past and present. See you next time.